Hello, welcome to Tuesday's tip from the workshop. Today it's go bars. And what I like to use for go bars is our dowels, just good old regular dowels. But the tip part of it is they're spring loaded. Here's a little piece of PVC water pipe with a compression spring. And so it puts a good bit of tension on that. I'm going to give you an idea how to make that in a second, but first I'll show you how to use it. So, as you know, when the glue hits the brace, the glue acts as a lubricant before it sets, which is quite unfortunate. And when you use those side pressure go bars, it tends to push the brace out of the way. So it's hard to keep the brace where you want it to be. Using these, it pushes directly down the brace, and it makes cleanup easier, it makes brace location easier before the glue sets. You can see this back right here, it's the go bars are pretty much all straight up and down. Now, it's easy enough to use. That was a little shim. You take the go bar, stick it in there, compress it, and it'll push on the brace. And what that was, if you don't have enough pressure, I like to, at the top, I take a little scrap piece of wood. There's plenty of scrap wood around. This is cut off from a brace, and just pull the deck down, stick it on the top, and it'll give it a little more oomph if you don't think that you're getting enough pressure on it. But both my go bar decks are the same length, and all the dowels are the same length. So sometimes you might want to put a little shim on the end of a brace or whatever. You can use all the go bars for bags and tops, and you could use them forever. I mean, this idea lasts forever. Now, how do you make this? Do not start emailing me what size pipe, where do I get the springs, blah blah. This is an idea I give you. You develop it. There may be better information, maybe better equipment, and better stuff out there than what it was 30 years ago when I made it. But what it is just a scrap piece of water pipe, plastic or PVC. Take a compression spring that runs from here, about halfway to, about that long, whatever that is. That's say 4 inches long. And take a little screw it in on one end to keep the spring from falling out, and that's it. Mine move about quarter inch, half an inch. Doesn't have to move a lot, but there's probably, me pushing on that right now, 8 pounds, 5 to 8 pounds. It's not nothing. I mean, it's got quite a good little push. But when I did this, you would have to buy a big bag of springs to find the 5 springs that you wanted to use. So I know that Amazon has this stuff now that you don't have to do this. So good luck. This is an idea. It's been really useful for me, and hopefully it will be useful for you too. That's it. Be happy building guitars.